Nk'ibisanzwe tubaye ikaze kuri Go and Study Scholarship Channel. Muri aka kanya tugiye kubagezaho amakuru atangajwe na University of Rwanda yerekeranywe n'isohorwa cyangwa se n'itangazwa rya admission results ku banyeshuri baprayinze muri University of Rwanda bakaba barashoje 2025 ubwo ni second intake. So tugiye kubageza itangazo rwose risohowe na University of Rwanda muri aka kanya rwose nta n'iminota myinshi inyuzeho. Ubu nibyo tugiye kubereka. Murabona ko turi kuri website ya University of Rwanda, ho murabona ko duhari rwose. Aha ni kuri website ya University of Rwanda nkuko bigaragara. So tudatinze rero tugiye kurebera itangazo turirebere hamwe ahasigaye, noneho turazi no kubabwira ikiza gukurikira iri tangazo. Okay. Announcement regarding here there is an announcement regarding to the release of admission results for academic year 2025-2026 for undergraduate academic program batch 2. Ngira ngo murebana neza ni batch 2. So ubungubu rero murabona imaze kurerwa n'abantu bakeya. Ubungubu rero twareba ibyaryo. Ni itangazo rwose. Tugiye kureba ibyaryo, turebe amanota bafatiyeho, turebe igikurikira iri tangazo ryasizwe hanze. Mbese tugiye kurebera byinshi byerekeye iri tangazo kandi tubijeje ko byose bikomeza kugenda bimera neza. Iri tangazo rikiza rero ngira ngo murayibona hano. Okay. Murabona iri tangazo, announcement regarding the release of admission results for the academic year 2025-2026 for undergraduate academic program. Murayibona ni batch 2. So tugiye gusoma iri tangazo twihuse rwose, tugiye kurisoma twihuse. Tubanze turizane hano turibasomere rwose neza mu buryo bugaragara. Ngira ngo muraribona hano. Announcement regarding the release of admission results for the academic year 2025-2026 for undergraduate academic program. The University of Rwanda UR is pleased to inform all candidates who submitted their applications for admission into undergraduate program for academic year 2025-2026 that the admission results are now out. The following should be noted: admitted candidates can access the acceptance letter for the programs they have been admitted into through the online link. So, qualified candidates who could not be admitted to the program applied for due to high competition the concerned program versus their absorption capacity were provisionally admitted into other program they qualify for, subject to making registration as confirmation for acceptance to study those programs. All admitted candidates for provision admitted are required to confirm acceptance admission by registering within a prescribed period mentioned in the acceptance letters. 22nd to 31st October 2025. Failure to register by prescribed timeline will lead to losing the place, which will afford to applicants on the waiting list. The cut-off weighted aggregates in each academic program are available on the university website for any further reference. So hanga tubanje kuribasoma mu cyongereza nkuko riri, reka tugeze turihindure mu Kinyarwanda. Hano University of Rwanda yishimiye kumenyesha abakandida bose baprayinze muri academic year 2025-2026 ko admission ubungubu noneho ziri hanze. Umunyeshuri wemerewe kwiga muri University of Rwanda yakwakira urupapuro rumwemerera anyuze kuri iyi link mubona hano. Qualified candidates, noneho umunyeshuri wese wari ufite amanota yagendeweho batanga admission ariko hakaba harabayeho high competitive cyangwa se ku mwanya yasabye hari abantu benshi, yabashije kuba yashyirwa mu kindi kintu runaka aribyo bita provisional admitted. Abantu muze kubona acceptance letter zanyu imeze gutyo nimugire ikibazo. Amanota yafatiweho aboneka unyuze kuri website ya University of Rwanda. Ngira ngo noneho turumaze kwibonera itangazo rya University of Rwanda, biragaragara. Ikindi noneho gikurikira ni ukumenya ngo ibindi bikurikira ni ibiki. So ku zindi video tugiye kubakora video igaragaza izindi process zikurikira, uburyo muzapraying inguzanyo ku bantu babaye admitted ndetse n'abantu babaye provisional admitted, ibyo mugomba kubahiriza. So twizere ko umeze neza, reka amahoro y'Imana akomeza abane namwe. Iryo ryari itangazo, tuberetse link byose, mukomeze mugubwe neza, turabakunda cyane.